Hey there, I wanted to make a quick video tutorial for you so that you can get your MyMusicStaff login all set up very quickly. It really is not difficult, and this is a hub of information for Bella Voce Studio. So I need every parent and every upper school student to go ahead and get those accounts set up. Maybe you can do it right now so that it's just all taken care of. Now, if you had some trouble in the past, I'm gonna encourage you to watch this video because I'm gonna even share my screen with you so that you can just go through this step by step. It's really not very difficult, but I know that sometimes it can be like one more thing on a list of things to do. So please take the time this summer to go ahead and get this account set up. If you don't have the information that you need, let me know and I'll send you a new access. Go ahead and try using your email address as your username. And if you can't remember the password, just reset the password. That should be enough to get you in. All right, so let me just share my screen here and show you what you need to do. I'm new to this, so all right, let's see here. Okay, so when I send you, I need this to go away. When I send you a login, it's going to have a link to where you need to go. But this is the MyMusicStaff.com main page. Now, if you do not come here, you don't want to come here to start your free trial because that's not for you. That's for me. This is something that I pay for the studio. You want to come up here to the right-hand part of the screen and click on Login. Now, mine's already logged in. Hold on. So it's going to take you to this screen, I think. And you see, it's just a basic login page. So put your email address in here, all right? And then you'll type in your password. And if you don't know what your password is, well, then you need to come down here where it says forgot your password, click on it and just reset it. And that should be all that you need to do to get in. And then once you get in, this is what you're gonna see on the student side of things. So it's a really nice interface. You can see that. Over here is kind of your dashboard. You can click on the calendar, which means you're gonna be able to see the full month at a time. And you can set that up differently if you prefer over here with view. And right now, what you're seeing with the summer schedule is where there are lesson availability openings. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through how to get yourself set up for a summer lesson since we're here on the calendar page. This is probably one of the main pages that you're gonna find information on in MyMusicStaff. But you can also come over here too. You can see, you can access, if you go back to home, you can see you can access your invoice, how much you owe for the month. There's studio news, which I hope to utilize a little bit more this year. You can see this is way back from February, so it's outdated. And then of course, you can see there's more. There's repertoire assigned, there's hours practiced. So there are a lot of ways that we can use this, but mainly for the calendar and for invoicing is what we want to be using this for right now. So back to the calendar here. Let's say you want to come for a lesson here on July 11th, which is just coming up, and all you have to do is click on the time that you want. The times that are there are what's available. You aren't seeing anything that isn't available, obviously, and then you're going to click register. And you can see this is really simple to do. Click the student that you'd like to register. I have all my kids in here, so if you have multiples, you can choose. If you want to come this time every week, you can select that this is a recurring lesson. So, but if not, if you want to just do it that one day, then just click that one box. You're not going to click all of these, obviously. Okay, and hit OK. And there you go, you're signed up for that 15-minute slot. So remember, these are set up in 15-minute slots, and that's for the convenience of whether you want to have a 30-minute lesson, a 45-minute lesson, or an hour lesson. You just click on however many 15 minutes that you want to have, okay? Now, regarding payments for a summer lesson, then you're going to come over here, and you can see there's already a charge on the, it's not quite right. I maybe don't have the, I might not have that set up quite properly there, but we can use this as an example still. But you can make a payment directly from this page. So, you know, if you sign up for 4 lessons this summer, you can pay directly from this page. You can also pay from the Soprano Jam website, but this is a little more seamless, as you can see, because it's right here on this spot. All right, I hope that is really helpful for you now that you've seen that. And of course, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're a new student and you haven't received an email access email from me, then please let me know, and I'll make sure that I get that to you right away. So let's get those accounts set up before the busyness of the school year. You will need to have these set up to get your studio policies to sign before the beginning of fall lessons. So go ahead and get that set up now, all right? Okay, I'll talk to you soon.